Yeah, we made it. We have made it through the end of the year. We have survived, we have thrived, we have done a lot because of you, because of your support. We know that you have so many options out there, but you chose us. You bought our products, you shared with your friends, you give us your feedbacks, and all of these things are so important. As we grow, we want to continue to make things that make you feel better. We want to be responsible, and we want you to be part of every step of the way. So again, thank you for a wonderful year.